Hello, Miss. Hello, classmates. We are the team number 5, and today we're going to talk about the curriculum models. Please enjoy.
Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan, and in this video we will explore the main idea from the comparative chart of curriculum model. Curriculum design is a fundamental aspect of education, and there's a different model that guide how teachers plan learning. We will compare 4 major curriculum models: the linear model, the spiral model, the backward design model, and the integrated model. Each of these models has different approaches regarding the role of the students and teacher, content organization, methodology, and assessment. Now, let's begin with the first model, the linear curriculum model.
What is the linear curriculum model? The linear model means that teaching follows a straight line. First, you decide what the students need to learn. Then you choose what to teach. Then you plan how to teach it. And last, you check if the student learned it. Number 1, objectives. What do we want students to learn? This is the first step. Teachers decide what a student should be able to do or understand by the end of the lesson, of course. Example, a science teacher sets an objective. Students will understand the water cycle and be able to draw its main step. Number 2, students. Who are we teaching? In the linear model, students are seen more as learners who receive knowledge. Teacher plan ahead what a student should learn and expect. For example, if students are in 3rd grade, the teacher use simple language enhance on activities to explain the water cycle. Number 3, teacher. Who leads the learning? The teacher has a key role. They plan the lesson, deliver them, and guide students step by step. For example, the teacher designed an activity where out the water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, helping them experience the process. And number 4, content. The content is the knowledge, skills, and activity that help meet the objective. It must match what are the students are expected to learn and be organized clearly. For example, the teacher used a short animated video and a worksheet showing evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. That's all.
In the linear model, the methodology is teacher-centered, with a strong focus on direct instruction. The social context reflects traditional norms and may emphasize standardized knowledge. As for resources, textbooks, worksheets, and other structured materials are often used. Assessment is summative, focusing on measuring specific learning outcomes at the end of the instructional process. Overall, this model provides a structure and control, but limits student participation and creativity.
In a spirit curriculum model, in this model, concepts are revisited and increasing levels of complexity. The student is an active participant who explores and engages with the context. In the case of the teacher, they act as a facilitator, guiding the process and helping learning discover meaning. The context is based on core concepts, and a student returns to them with more depth each time.
The methodology of the spiral curriculum model is inquiry-based learning, encourages exploration and discovery. Interleaving topics to support connection across subject areas is a great example of this. Social context encourages critical thinking about societal issues, promotes democratic values. Resources. Varied resources, including real-world materials, emphasizes experiential learning, like interactive platforms, like an academy. Assessment Formative assessments focus on understanding and development over time, like quick quizzes. Summative assessment, like projects that span multiple units or grades.
The backward curriculum model was developed by Wiggins and Ansi Tig. In this model, teaching starts with the desired results and big ideas that students should understand. Then, teachers plan how to assess that learning. And finally, they design the lessons and activities. Students are active learners. They participate in tasks and assessment that help guide and adjust their learning. The teacher acts as a designer of learning experiences. They first think about the final goals and how to shape if students are achieving them before planning the classes. Content is selected based on how relevant it is to those with ideas and essential understandings. For example, if the goal is for students to understand how plants grow, the teacher first defines that goal, plans how students will show what they learn, like a plant growing project, and then prepares the lessons about soil, water, and sunlight.
The backward curriculum model uses a methodology focuses on assessments-driven instructions. Learning activities are selected based on how they help students meet specific goals. This model emphasizes real-world applications and deep understanding, not memorizations. Resources are chosen based on their ability to support diverse students' needs and may include community or digital tools. Assessment is an integral part of this model, used to guide instructions and ensure the students are progressing toward the desired outcomes.
The integrated curriculum model. The integrated curriculum model developed by Robert and Layton is based on interdisciplinary themes and real-world issues that are relevant and meaningful to students. It aims to break traditional subject boundaries by connecting areas like science, language, social studies, and math through broad, unified themes that reflect the complexity of modern society. Students take an active role as collaborative learners, engaging in projects that integrate various disciplines. This promotes deeper understanding, critical thinking, and problem-solving in authentic contexts.
This model is project-based learning and emphasizes collaboration. It prepares students to solve real-life problems by connecting knowledge from different areas. Resources are diverse and include materials from multiple disciplines and real contexts. Assessment is done through projects and real-world tasks, focusing in the application of integrated knowledge. These models support creativity, teamwork, and practical thinking. To conclude, each curriculum model has its own philosophy, strengths, and limitations. The linear model is structured but can be rigid. The spiral model promotes activities learning through exploration. The backward design model focuses on results and real-world skills. The integrated model supports collaboration and interdisciplinary learning. As a future educators, we should understand all of these approaches and apply the most appropriate one depending on our students' needs, context, and goals. Thank you everyone for watching and paying attention. Bye.